Hi there, this is Genie from Expat on Purpose. I'm very grateful to be sharing with you today an amazing digital nomad visa that is very close to our own country, South Africa, and is part of Africa. Mauritius has now got a year-long digital nomad visa. It's also called the Mauritius Premium Travel Visa and gives remote workers the opportunity to live on this subtropical island country in the Indian Ocean. It is a beautiful country with tropical beaches, volcanic landscapes, and beautiful wildlife. This is one of the best places to live in Africa, and a lot of South Africans are very intrigued and actually goes there on holiday quite often. So this temporary visa gives you an opportunity to live and work digitally or remotely for a year and is renewable if you wanted to do so. Because it's such a close proximity to South Africa, there is quite a lot of people that are interested in this. If it's only for a year or two, or maybe a permanent move, a person can definitely look at this. So if you're intending to stay for longer than 6 months, then you will apply for this premium travel visa. And if it's less than 6 months, then you will just go on a normal travel visa. So what are the requirements for Mauritius? Number 1, you've got to prove that you work for a company outside of Mauritius, and in other words, the place of business and the source of your income has to be outside of the country. The government doesn't want you to compete with Mauritian people in the labor market. So please don't go there if you think you're going to apply for a job, because that is not going to work. This is not part of the digital nomad visa, and a lot of countries are actually dead against that. So make sure that you've got your proof of work from a country outside of Mauritius. Number 2, proof of funds. You've got to have a bank statement showing that you make a certain amount of money, and you are only required to show $1,500 per month. If you have dependents under the age of 24, you need to show an additional $500 per head. Obviously, due to COVID, you also now need to show a negative COVID test, and that has got to be, that PCR test has to be administered between 5 and 7 days prior to the date of boarding. Flights. Number 4 is a valid return ticket to and from Mauritius. And accommodation, number 5, where you're going to be staying during your mandatory 14-day quarantine and post-quarantine. Number 6, you obviously need travel insurance, and that will cover you for any theft and also medical expenses. So it is a very, very easy process, and you can do it yourself. I've actually spoken to some people that has applied for this online, and it was very easy. The application is free, so you don't need to pay for the application. I'm going to be putting the EBD Mauritius website in the link below. If you're interested to go and have a look at it, go and click on it and see what they require from you. And it only takes about 48 hours to process the application. I think this is definitely something that a lot of South Africans would be interested in doing, and let me know. I would love to hear from you. Hope this is of good value, and looking forward to chatting to you soon.